the advantages and benefits of the customer database. See, advantages if we see, through the database, we can have a centralized collection center or the storing center, where we can have all kind of information about the product, about the seller efforts, and of course about the customer. So if you want to retrieve at any point of time, you can be retrieved at any moment you like. Then at one place, single communication source can be used. Instead of going to various confusing kind of a state, it's better to have a central data storage platform. Automated entries. If you want to give any information or any just an email or some birthday or some kind of greetings has to be sent to the customer, it can be automatically sent to the database, because everything about his age, date of birth, everything is stored there. Automated entries. Then whatever new ads you want to have, you can further add on to it. Then segmentation can be done if you want to categorize on the type of people, on the geography base or on the profession base, can be done easily. And client communication activity, especially the emails, as I said, SMS, the wishes can be automatically done as per the dates. Then if you see the advantages and integrity of the whole, the customers, you can know your customers well. You can identify the customers who have high value buying from you, or if you want to categorize as per the various groups, that can be done. Then you can, one-time customer who has come and has actually bought some kind of a product, you can force your marketing efforts on him, or you can put some extra connect program with him so that he can have a repeat purchase from you. Then improve and personalize in-store experience. This means that if somebody is coming to your store, retail store, how you handle them personally, one-to-one, that can be improved upon when you have the data. Then prevent customer churn. When you have a good marketing effort, good reachability, and your good marketing, the push which you are going to have to help the customer can actually prevent the churn out. Churn out means customer going to some other brand, because you are trying to make him happy and satisfied, he will stay with you. Then digital advertising nowadays can be done keeping the privacy of the data of the customer. So you can reach the customer one-to-one also through digital mediums. Then cross-functional collaboration within the your organization itself. Production, the warehouse, the sales team, the marketing team can all be contacted, right? Then you can keep the track of marketing performance, how the campaigns have worked, whether the return on investment is there or not, because everything requires budget and, the finances, whether it is rightly being used, what impact it is making. So all this database can be made out of your activities and can be stored for reference also. Then it saves cost, because at one point automated manner it can happen through the use of softwares and technology. No need of manual hiring of people running around, incurring cost on various heads. So that can be prevented. Then you can make the customer experience seamless through all this database collection. So these are the benefits, but at the macro level, if you see, there will be an improved efficiency of the employee and the whole process, because all the basis of doing your activity is there. Then you can have a greater insight into the customer's pattern, behavior, his profile. It will be a more immersive customer experience, and your efforts will be good enough, one-to-one, purposeful and relevant. The experience the customer will get will be of better quality and of better impact, right?